Welcome to our channel, where we explore the endless possibilities. This farmer's innovative spirit led him to create his own machine for soil heat treatment. The heat destroys weed seeds and pathogens, while also improving soil structure and nutrient availability for crops. This mulcher is so easy to use that even a fragile girl can easily turn stumps into dust with it. It's simply unbelievable how accurately modern agricultural machinery works. Not a single leaf is damaged. Today, harvesting firewood has become not such a difficult process. The carrot harvester works by uprooting the carrots from the soil, removing the leaves, and separating them from other debris in the field. The machine is equipped with a series of blades or digging tines that dig into the soil and uproot the carrots. The carrots are then conveyed along a series of belts or chains, where they are separated from the soil and other debris. Some automated apple harvesting machines are equipped with advanced technologies, such as computer vision and machine learning, to identify and select the best fruit for harvesting. This helps to ensure that only the highest quality apples are picked, which can improve overall yield and profitability for farmers. Automated fruit and vegetable washing and packing machines use advanced technologies such as sensors, computer vision, and robotics to sort, wash, dry, and package produce. Some machines are even capable of customizing packaging to meet specific customer requirements, such as size, weight, and labeling. These technologies not only increase efficiency and productivity, but also help to reduce food waste by minimizing damage and spoilage during processing and transportation. This machine turns heads of corn into grain in seconds. Modern technologies allow women to farm without ruining their manicure. He rides around and he took care of the grapes. It's a specialized piece of farming equipment designed to plant garlic bulbs in rows with precise spacing and depth. It's used by garlic farmers to optimize the planting process, reduce labor costs, and increase crop yields. To use the garlic seeder, the operator fills the hopper with garlic bulbs and adjusts the machine to the desired spacing and depth. As the tractor moves forward, the garlic bulbs are fed through the machine and planted in the soil at the appropriate depth and distance apart. The high-voltage arc weeder is a cutting-edge agricultural technology that uses electricity to kill weeds without the need for herbicides. It works by generating a high-voltage electrical arc that passes through the weed's leaves and stem, causing it to rupture and die. Every gardener should have such a tool. The Rock Picker by Vita Farming is a machine designed to pick up rocks, stones, and other debris from farm fields. It can handle rocks of various sizes, from small stones to large boulders. And this is another machine for quickly planting seedlings. This farming equipment is used by celery farmers to reduce labor costs and increase the speed and accuracy of the farming process. But as you can see, farmers still can't do without workers in the field. But still, the celery harvester does most of the work. It's a specialized piece of equipment designed to remove algae and other aquatic plants from bodies of water, as well as to prevent the spread of harmful algal blooms. As you can see, seedling planting machines can be different. This is a rice transplanter used to transplant young rice seedlings from a seedbed to a paddy field. This machine significantly reduces the amount of manual labor required for rice. A mulch applicator is a machine designed to apply mulch to garden beds, landscapes, and other outdoor areas. It's typically used by landscapers, gardeners, and homeowners to improve the appearance of outdoor spaces. A disc trencher is a piece of farming equipment used to create narrow trenches in the ground. It's commonly used in agriculture and construction to install drainage systems, irrigation pipes, and underground cables. There are simply brilliant inventors among farmers. This man is one of them. A feed grinder is a machine used to grind and mix animal feed ingredients to create a uniform mixture. It works by grinding the raw ingredients, such as grains, hay, and silage, into small particles. The mixing process ensures that the feed is uniform and consistent in its nutritional content. This agricultural machine cultivates the soil only around the sapling, without hitting them, thanks to super accurate sensors. A sugarcane harvester in action. This machine is capable of uprooting 5 trees of medium height in just 20 seconds. It's no surprise that the forest is being destroyed at a tremendous rate. But don't worry, these trees aren't destroyed, but replanted. Thanks for watching our latest video on Smart Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from us.